Treat me like white tees. Don't get me dirty. Love on.
Interview you. Can I
interview me? Okay.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Anil.
Wow. So what are your talents?
My talent is editing.
Wow, what kind of edits do you edit?
I can edit your picture. I can make it look like a boy.
Wow. So are you joining one of the events next week?
What are the events?
The Punyagian?
Yes, I'm joining what is the number?
The Sudoku?
Oh, yes, I'm joining the Sudoku.
Wow, do you think you will win?
No, I don't think I don't think I will win because I think that I'm not that good in Sudoku.
Okay.
Ay, gipugos ra ko sa akong mga amigo na mag-join. No, wala. Dili ko kabalo mag-Sudoku.
Hindi ka kabalo nga ka sa'yo na anak.
Ay, I'm gonna tuon-tuon. Is Myra, may 5 ka?
Doon lang nakapasa sa kwan sa ipan.
Ipan ano?
Wala.
Okay, thank you for your interview.
Yes, that's all you need to know.